And a very good morning to you all. It's Jacques here from Bitmart, and we're going to take a look at the crypto markets this morning. So, yeah, a warm welcome here from the sunny Lowveld in South Africa. Nelspruit, crypto capital of South Africa, they say. I don't know about that, but yeah, let's take a look at the charts here quickly. All right, so we've got Bitcoin again, raging bull, sitting at $60,700 this morning, and we've got quite a lot happening in the market. So there's an article that's been circulating this morning of people saying that the Pi indicator has just said the top is in. Okay, now if you're going to take a look at the Pi indicator charts in the past and how accurate it's been, one thing that I don't like about these type of indicators is, if you are a forex trader, you'll know exactly what I mean. Indicators tend to keep moving their signal position until it suits them, and then it gets stuck in the chart where it goes down or goes up from where it predicted it. So I've seen that quite a few times. I don't know if this is the case, but yeah, look, with Elon Musk and Walmart buying in, I think we are very, very bullish still on Bitcoin. Might see a small retracement, but something in the article that caught my eye was right about here, where it says here, the stock to flow creator Bitcoin cycle nowhere near the top. Now that's true, because if you go and take a look at stock to flow, this is where we are currently in the market. Now this measures from the halving all the way up to the next halving what the price indication based on the supply of Bitcoin in the market will be. This is just a prediction though, by the way. So let's take a look here where we are now. We are very, very close to where it says $100,000 per Bitcoin. So that might be as close as May this year. It tends to, in the middle of the cycle between halvings, it tends to either flat out or retrace. If you look at the previous cycle here in 2018, the price was about $8,000 to $15,000 in this vicinity here. Okay, so basically the halving event cuts the block rewards in half. We've got about 1,400 days until the next halving, but just something interesting, look at this uptake just after the next halving. Look how fast this thing is predicting the $1.2 million mark for Bitcoin. I mean, that's 4 years away. I mean, we're looking at a massive growth. So in any case, to get back, I think we're still in for a bull run that can continue, but I'd like to pull your attention to this Bitcoin rainbow chart. So the rainbow chart, we're currently sitting in between the orange and the dark yellow zone where it says the FOMO intensifies, or is this a bubble? So it just kind of like lingers here, it just doesn't want to break through. So we're going to see $71,000. This is where the dumb money starts freaking going crazy. This is where, if you look at the previous December 16th was the all-time high of the previous cycle. Look at what happened right after it entered into that yellow zone. It started going up parabolically. Okay, so this is what we need to watch out for. This sideways movement we're seeing here is a consolidation a range forming here, which builds support. So I'm quite certain that this is a very good indication that we will stay in alt season a bit longer. And if you look at the alt season indicators, we are definitely in alt season at the moment. This is the alt season indicator. Let's take a look here. This is 2020. This was in August, and then it dropped a bit, and then it went all the way up again. We're in this zone again. What this means exactly is it means that currently altcoins are outperforming Bitcoin in terms of growth. So if you take a look at this, look at the performance there of Cake and CHZ, HOT, BTT, that's BitTorrent token, Luna, Engine Coin, Binance Coin. We're looking at 1,000, 1,600, 1,800% growth on those coins. These are the coins and the percentages that they outperform Bitcoin with. So basically how this works is, if you had $100,000 and you bought Bitcoin with it, or you took it and split it in half and you bought altcoins and Bitcoin with it, your Bitcoin portfolio would have grown 66% in the last 30 days or last 90 days. Okay, this is 90 days. But if you held these coins, then your growth would be the correlating percentages below the coins. So we're looking at coins that are, 408, 1,300. What I do as a strategy for trading is I grow my Bitcoin balance by buying alts, and I use it as a means to an end to increase my Bitcoin holdings. Okay, so this is a very good indication of which coins outperformed Bitcoin on the last 90-day cycle. So definitely we're in an altcoin month. You can clearly see from the top 50 performing coins, BitTorrent token in the last 30 days, XRP, welcome back. And these are the coins then in the last 30 days that's been outperforming Bitcoin. So Bitcoin in the last 30 days up 1.3%, but Ethereum up 15%, BNB up 114. So it's not yet an altcoin year. If you look at the top 50 performing tokens in the last year, we've got a 16,800% growth on ARV, Theta, KSM, Ruin. All these are in the high 7,000, 6,000 ranges. And Bitcoin, itself did a 716% growth. So everything left of that black Bitcoin indicator would have meant that you can now trade that back for more Bitcoin than you would have had if you just kept Bitcoin. So this is the indication where we are in the year. I mean, look at Ruin, 11,000%, guys. This is amazing. So yeah, I'll do some in-depth videos later about Nexo and all other trading platforms like Swissborg and so forth, and how you can get the most out of crypto using those platforms. Other things that I just want to point your attention to, we're looking at the NUPL chart here. This is the net unrealized profit and loss indicator. Now this basically means people that bought into the market, where are they sitting currently in the state of profit or loss or so forth. So just an idea, if Walmart bought $1 billion worth of Bitcoin, which we'll get confirmation of in May this year, that means that they will only look at selling their Bitcoin if they made a profit. And they probably bought in the range of about above 47,000 US. Okay, we are only at 60. That's not a very, very good selling point now, just 20-30% profit. These oaks want 100%. They are looking at the previous gains that everyone has made, and they're thinking, okay, this is what our target prices are. So saying that, I just wanted to warn you guys that's got lots of money in the game at the moment, Tesla, your Walmart, your Grayscale, all of those big oaks, when they dump, it's gonna be painful. You're gonna feel it in your teeth. Okay, so just bear that in mind, and make sure that your strategy is of such caliber that you can at least take profits and do what you need to do. Don't bet the farm on crypto. But in any case, there is gains to be made. Just make sure that you practice sound financial planning. Okay, so moving on, we've got another chart here that I just wanted to show you guys, the stablecoin supply ratio that we're sitting with here. The stablecoin supply ratio, we've got, yes guys, this means that it's the ability of coins to buy Bitcoin. Currently, stable coins are being minted like crazy. We just had another stablecoin alert here this morning. 6 hours ago, there was a $1 billion worth of USDT printed. So it's been a while, but this is going to push up the market considerably in the next 5 days. So the printers are going crazy again. So if for those of you who don't understand this, a stable coin is minted by an organization, Bittrex, Coinbase, Binance, and backed by one physical dollar, so they say, to be able to digitize the coin. Okay, so basically what's happening here is they're pumping digital coins into the market to make it easy for customers to buy and sell crypto on exchanges without the on-ramp of fiat. Okay, so this is a very good thing because it's money flowing into the market. So yeah, I think if you take a look at the amounts on this screen now today, we're in for another bump upwards. Whale Alert has also been pushing out some alerts of quite a large amount of coins being transferred to exchanges, as well as coins that are being transferred off exchanges. Like for example, we've got XRP, 12 million XRP was transferred from BTC Turk to an unknown wallet. Now the unknown wallets are 99% of the time it's whale holding wallets, or it's private investor wallets or stuff like that. So this is a good sign of buy and hold. If someone bought an hour ago that amount of XRP and is holding it, obviously there's a very, very big faith in the coin to go up to, I don't know what prices, but they're saying $2 is next. So let's hope for the best. But yeah, I just wanted to also take a look at CoinGecko, yeah. Just in the last 7 days, taking a look at the coins that have been outperforming Bitcoin again. Look at these performances. Also, just for the record, I use CoinGecko and CoinMarketCap to do comparisons between the two. I've recently started using CoinGecko more than I've been using CoinMarketCap. So I just wanted to show you guys, these are the gains that these coins have made in the last 7 days. I don't normally look at the 24 and the 1 hour charts. It just doesn't, make sense to me. Crypto moves at a rate that a bullet train does. So yeah, the biggest losers in the market, if you look at them, are also not one of your most popular coins, but also the amount that they lose is nominal. We're not sitting with 60, 70, 90% retracements on popular coins. So that's something that's also giving me an indication that the market is really, really ready for another pump upwards. There's some buy-in opportunities on some of these coins in their retracements. For example, BitTorrent just retraced 25% this week. But it's been a wonderful gain for BitTorrent token in the last week. So I think we're going to be in for a lucky surprise with BitTorrent. So I'm rooting for that coin. So I'm taking a look at. Just want to quickly show you guys here something that I use as a indicator to plan my crypto investments quite a lot. Is if we look at the market capitalization here. This is something that is very important. Always follow the money, guys. Doesn't matter who says. I've got great respect for Bitcoin enthusiasts and guys that have got their own channels, and shout out to all of those oaks. Keep up the good work. But at the end of the day, we have to take a look at where the money flows. If the money starts flowing out of crypto, then we know, okay, that is a trend that's forming. Irrespective of what the market does. But the pattern that we see here normally is we're going to see coins like, for example, alts are going to take a big nosedive. Bitcoin is going to get a little pumped, and then you're going to start seeing Tether, USDC, those stable coins getting massive volume into them. That means people are converting from crypto to stable coins and they're hodling. Recently, it's been difficult to actually ascertain exactly what the what the parameters are to gauge this, is because you need to be careful. You also need to take a look at these stable coins. The stable coins that we need to take in consideration when you do this calculation is your USDT, your TrueUSD, your USDC, PAX, GUSD, and also DAI, SAI, and BUSD. The reason for this is people will take their money out of Bitcoin and out of alts and park them in these stable coins. So you need to now add another layer to your calculations in order to say, okay, how much money is sitting inside stable coins? Because that's going to be a very big indicator to tell you exactly where the price action is going to go for the alts. If people are not taking the money necessarily out of the crypto market, but they are pumping it into stable coins, that's going to be evident that the market is moving towards a preparation for a dip, or it's going to be a pattern that you will be able to identify during a retracement or during a dip. So guys, if there's anything else that you guys would like to cover, if there's anything you guys want to talk about, you're welcome to like, follow, subscribe to the channel, and let me know. Take care. Stay frosty.